Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We all know that love isn't about expensive gifts or over-the-top grand gestures. It's really found in those small, sweet moments that make your heart melt. So, if you're looking for ways to surprise your girlfriend and make her feel truly special, you've come to the right place. Today, we re-sharing 10 sweet ways to melt her heart and remind her just how much she means to you. Let's jump right into the first 5 surprises. Number 1. Write a handwritten love note. In our super digital world, taking a moment to write a few honest, heartfelt words on paper can feel 1,000 times more special than a text message. It's personal, it's real, and it's something she can keep forever. Number 2. Plan a surprise date. This doesn't have to be anything fancy. A simple picnic in the park, a cozy movie night at home with all her favorite snacks, or a trip to that cute cafe she loves will do the trick. What really matters is the thought you put into it. Coming in at number 3, gift her something meaningful. Notice I said meaningful, not expensive. Think about a framed picture of your favorite memory together, or maybe a simple bracelet with her initials. It's the personal touch that makes a gift priceless. Number 4 is a fun one. Leave little surprises for her to find. Hide sticky notes with sweet messages in her bag, on her bathroom mirror, or tucked into her phone case. She'll find them unexpectedly throughout her day, and each one will bring a smile to her face. And number 5, cook for her. You don't have to be a Michelin star chef for this one. Seriously, even if you just make pasta, the effort is what counts. She absolutely loved that you tried to do something special just for her. All right, ready for the next 5 romantic ideas? Let's go. Number 6. Recreate your first date. Take a trip down memory lane and bring back all those butterflies. Go to the same place, play the same song, and just soak in that amazing vibe. It'll feel like falling in love all over again. Next up, number 7. Dedicate a song to her. You could share it on social media with a sweet caption, or even better, just sing it softly to her when you're together. Music has a way of touching the soul like nothing else. Number 8 is so important. Compliment her often. And I don't just mean her looks, though that's nice too. Compliment her kindness, her intelligence, her dreams, and her strength. Those are the compliments that stay in the heart forever. At number 9, a surprise visit. Show up when she least expects it, may be after a long day at work or class. Bring her favorite snack or a single flower. These tiny, unexpected gestures can speak volumes about how much you care. And finally, number 10, say I love you in a new way. Get creative. Record a short, sweet video message for her to wake up to. Write it on a balloon, or just whisper it when she's not expecting it. Love feels brand new when it's expressed in different ways. At the end of the day, love isn't about doing big things once in a while. It's about doing small things with great love, consistently. When you surprise your girlfriend with genuine care and thoughtfulness, you're not just giving her moments, you're creating memories that will last a lifetime. So go ahead, pick one of these ideas, and make her smile today. Because in the end, it's the little things, done with love, that truly melt the heart. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.